Thanks for joining us. We're doing two things today that we've never done before. One, a brand new recipe, and two, we're gonna videotape it. So today we've got for you a grilled chicken Caesar pizza. We've got our grilled chicken going. They've been marinating. We're getting ready to go inside and make our homemade Caesar dressing that we're gonna use as a base for our pizza. You're gonna love this. All right, let's start with our Caesar dressing for our grilled chicken Caesar pizza. I'm gonna start with half a cup of light mayonnaise, half a cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and we want 2 tablespoons of some fresh squeezed lemon juice. The side is too big. There we go, it's a big boy. So that is about 2 tablespoons, especially on a lemon this size. Let's give this a stir. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're gonna toss in a 1/4 cup of fresh shaved Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Bam. All right. And now what's really going to flavor this dressing are 2 anchovy fillets. I'm going to put those in there. 1 clove of garlic that's chopped up a little bit. We're going to add just a pinch of salt. Not too much. That's probably a 1/4 teaspoon. And a pinch of pepper. And we're going to muddle this down in our mortar and pestle. We want to keep doing this until it becomes a paste that we can dissolve into our dressing here. There. So we're going to get this anchovy garlic paste, scrape this out. And again, I used 2 anchovy fillets because this is the first time I've made it. I'm not sure how strong that flavor is going to be. You certainly could go 3, you could go 4. All right, now let's drop this into our dressing. Get this mixed up. Okay, we switched from that wooden spoon to this whisk because some of that paste was clumping together a little bit, but this has really helped break it back up and kind of dissolve it into the dressing. One last thing I want to finish this off with is just a few dashes of Tabasco. Boom, 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 boom. Was that 4 booms?
I think it was 5. We'll have to check on the replay.
Okay, this looks good. It's a little thick, but remember, we're putting this on a pizza, but we will have leftovers for salad. It's nice. It's a little tangy. You definitely get that anchovy coming through, but it's not strong. It's not salty. And then the lemon and the Tabasco are really helping pull everything together. This is going to be great on our pizza. All right, we've got our Caesar dressing sauce for our pizza. We've taken our chicken off and it's resting. Time to get our pizza dough on the grill and get this going. If you want to know how to make pizza dough like we do, then check out this video where we did grilled pizza and show you how to make your own dough. But tonight, let's get this grilled chicken Caesar pizza ready to go. Really excited about this. Let's get our pizza crust on here. There we go. Close this. 2 minutes later, we're going to be pulling this off, dressing it. We're going to finish it off on the pizza stone in the oven at 500 degrees. This is going to be fantastic. Okay, pizza crust has been on there for 2 minutes. Let's check it out.
It looks good like me.
How's that look?
Looks delicious.
All right. That looks great. Let's take it inside, get it dressed with our Caesar dressing and that sliced chicken that we grilled up. Plus we've got some tomatoes, some shallots. And then we're gonna, after this is done, we're gonna finish this with something special. So stay tuned for that. Let's go get this dressed up. Okay, we've got our grilled pizza crust. Here's the Caesar sauce / dressing that we made. Let's get this on here. Wait,
Yeah.
I'm afraid to look behind me to see what you're doing. How's that looking at you, Karen?
Looks good.
Enough?
To me, it
I
looks
think
like,
so too. Don't you?
to me, it looks like a bunch of white stuff with a bunch of little polka dots.
All right, that looks good. Now let's put on our grilled chicken.
Swap them. Garlic.
Maybe a little bit more. All right, let's put our
Just dump the cheese on the
mozzarella
white stuff.
cheese on.
Can I have this one?
Can you have this one?
Yes.
You just ate your own pepperoni pizza that I made for you.
Well, my jiggle belly is not full.
I think that looks good. What do you think, Karen?
There's a piece of mozzarella that's very tender.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's do some tomatoes for some color. I think that looks good. Maybe
I made a
do
tiny
one
little
more.
cheese ball. Look.
And then let's add some shallots.
Bam, 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 bobbity bam.
And I said before, we're going to top this off with something special, so you've got to stay tuned till the end to see how we finish off this grilled chicken Caesar pizza.
I feel like George.
That looks good.
There's a
Probably
little cherry on top
3, 4,
of it.
5 minutes. It'll be done.
You can check that.
There it is. The first time we've ever made a grilled chicken Caesar pizza. That looks delicious. Now, I told you to stay tuned for the way we were going to finish this off. Here's this special part. I whisked up a quick dressing with some lemon juice, red wine vinegar, some olive oil, a little salt, and just a little bit of oregano. And what we're going to do is we're going to toss some arugula in this. And we're going to finish off this pizza with this dressed arugula. So let's put some of this on top. Sorry for the loud noise.
I know what would make it good, Dad.
What's ice cream? Skittles?
No, marshmallow.
Okay, that looks really pretty. And lastly, we've got some crumbled up crispy bacon. Oh, I can't wait to eat this, Karen. And just a little bit of fresh Parmigiano Reggiano. And even if it doesn't taste good, I think this is one of the prettiest pizzas we've ever made. Okay, let's do it.
It's still smoky. How's the roof of your mouth feeling?
Mmm.
Would you like some water?
Okay. I gotta hurry up and cut another piece
Would you like some
because Mommy deserves this. This is the best pizza I've ever made.
Mine was better. But okay.
Let's give Mommy a piece. Thanks for tuning in. This was awesome. I hope you liked it. Maybe you'll try it. I don't know.
Maybe stay tuned for some more Skittles at the end. I don't know.
Okay.
Wait.
This is
Never
great. Thanks for
stop
joining
rolling.
us. We'll see you next time.
Never stop rolling.
Never stop rolling.
Oh, you dropped my cheese ball. What's up? What's up?
Got your butt.
I am fantastic.
You know what the 19 stands for in COVID-19?
What?
The almost 20 damn pounds that I've put on since we've been doing all this crap.
Hi, peeps.
Oh, I drew on my hand and it says hi, peeps. It's really hot, but it's really good. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna say.